Hello, thank you for joining. This is Quarantunes for 5th grade band. I'm Mr. Spur. Quarantunes, Quarantunes, we're stuck inside with Quarantunes. For today's lesson, we're going to begin with a breathing exercise. Next, we'll move on to some sight reading. And then we'll end with looking through our Essential Elements book. So first, our breathing exercise. It'll be like yesterday's, only this time, instead of holding the ball in our hand, I want you to take your right hand, place it on your belly, and then your left hand, make a fist, put it on the side. We're going to take 3 breaths in, and then we'll exhale. What I want you to feel is to see if you can feel your hand and your fist expand. It's the same idea as the ball, only this time we're feeling what our bodies are doing instead. So here we are. Breathe in. Again. Once more. And make sure you're using your diaphragm and you can feel your abdomen grow as you're breathing in. Try it one more time. Breathe in. Again. Once more. And let's try that once more, only this time we're going to have our instruments in set position and we're going to play our concert B flat. That would be a C for clarinets and trumpets. Here we go. Breathe in. Again. Once more. And when you played your long tone, was it nice, long, smooth? Were there any breaks in the middle? Did the pitch waver like this, or was it a nice, long block of sound? If you need to try that again, just rewind and do the exercises again. We're now going to move on to some sight reading. There's one thing I'd like to draw attention to before we begin the sight read. You may notice that there are 2 numbers stacked on top of each other at the beginning of all of our sight reading exercises. This is what we call our time signature. And the way we read a time signature is by looking at the top number first. The top number means the number of beats per measure. So, whenever we see a 4 on the top, that's telling us there are 4 beats in the measure. The bottom number notifies which note gets the beat. So, in this case, there's a 4 at the bottom. The 4 is telling us the quarter note gets the beat. Whenever you see that 4, you need to think quarter note. Let's look at that rhythm. Here's the rhythm we'll be counting today. First, we'll count it cold. Next, we'll figure out how to count it. Then, we'll count it one more time. And finally, we'll get to play the rhythm on our instruments. So, counting it cold, the metronome is set to 60 beats per minute. And 1, 2, ready, count. 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4. 3, 1, 4. Take a moment now to pause the video, write down the rhythm, and then together we're going to count it out. So, we have in the first measure 2 quarter notes, a quarter rest, and a quarter note. Remember, in a 4/4 measure, the bottom 4 means the quarter note gets the beat. We see 4 quarters, whether they're notes or rests. So that means they all fall on 1, 2, 3, 4. But look at beat 3. That's a rest. We're not going to say 3 on the rest because it's a beat of silence. So we'll erase it. Second measure. We have 4 more quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. But look at beat 2. There's a quarter rest on beat 2. That's a beat of silence. We're not going to say 2 there. So I erase it. Measure 3. 4 more quarters again. 1, 2, 3, 4. But as you see on beats 1, 2, and 4, there are quarter rests. We're going to erase those because those are beats of silence. We're only going to say 3 for the quarter note on beat 3. And then lastly, 4 more quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, there are 2 quarter rests on beats 2 and 3. We're going to erase those because those are beats of silence. And there we have it. Let's try counting it again. 1, 2, ready, and count. 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4. 3, 1, 4. Now, in set position, we're going to play this on a concert B flat. Make sure when you're playing this, you're using a nice, clean tone. Is your embouchure set? Are you using enough air? Are your lips in the right spot in the mouthpiece? Are you actually playing the right pitch? Are your fingers in the right position? Is your slide in the right position? Let's try it. 1, 2, ready, and play. Make sure when you do these exercises, you do have some sense of control. I know in class, we really like to just blow through our instruments and not pay attention to what's on the board. But reading is very important for music, and especially in this class. We're now going to move on to essential elements. In the book, we're going to look at page 5, number 13. This is the first essential elements quiz. So, as you can see underneath each note, there are spaces for you to write in your pitches. What you can do is take the time to pause the video and write in each pitch. I know we did this before in class, but some of us may need to double check our work. So make sure you do that. A great place to reference would be on page 6, right above number 14. There are notes and review of our first 5 notes. Pause the video and take time to do that. For this exercise, we're going to count the rhythm. Next, we'll say pitch names. Then we'll finger or slide along and say pitch names. And finally, we'll get to play. Counting the rhythm. Here we go. Make sure you take the repeat. 1, 2, ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Next, we're going to say pitch names. I'm going to start with C instruments. That's flutes and trombones. 1, 2, ready, and go. B flat, C, D, E flat, F, 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 D, E flat, D, C, B flat, D, B flat. Repeat. B flat, C, D, E flat, F, F, F. D, E flat, D, C, B flat, D, B flat. I would like C instruments, or not C instruments, B flat instruments to now go. That would be clarinets and trumpets. Taking the repeat. 1, 2, ready, and go. C, D, E, F, G, 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 E, F, E, D, C, E, C. Repeat. C, D, E, F, G, 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 E, F, E, D, C, E, C. Now we're going to finger along or slide along and say pitch names, starting with C instruments. Set position. 1, 2, ready, and go. B flat, C, D, E flat, F, F, F. D, E flat, D, C, B flat, D, B flat. Repeat. B flat, C, D, E flat, F, F, F. D, E flat, D, C, B flat, D, B flat. Trombones, while I have your attention, I'd like you to do that again, only this time we're going to say slide positions. 1, 2, ready, and go. 1, 6, 4, 3, 1, 1, 1. 4, 3, 4, 6, 1, 4, 1. Repeat. 1, 6, 4, 3, 1, 1, 1. 4, 3, 4, 6, 1, 4, 1. Make sure you're practicing your slide positions at home. Okay? We're moving on to B flat instruments. Set position, fingering along in pitches. 1, 2, ready, and go. C, D, E, F, G, G, G. E, F, E, D, C, E, C. Repeat. C, D, E, F, G, G, G. E, F, E, D, C, E, C. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for. We're going to play this. Set position. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. That's the lesson for today. Thank you for joining. If you or your parents have any questions, please email me or contact me on the contact page on the website. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time, and stay safe out there.